Okay, so it's been a second. I finally got my helpers here, and oh goodness, this is going to be a little bit more interesting than I thought it was going to be. I got Brooklyn, my little sweet Brooklyn, and her friend.
And my dog.
She's not so sweet, not so sweet Mariah. And I'm going to let them bleed the brakes. And already trying to explain righty tighty lefty loosey has been something else. Brooklyn used to help, but she was always the one that was in the vehicle pumping. So now I'm going to show these two pump, 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 hold, and one of them is going to loosen them. Brooklyn's going to do the rear, Mariah's going to do the front. They both get to control the pedal and do loosey, goosey, all that stuff. And this is going to be interesting. But you know what? At the end of the day, these girls are going to have to show their boyfriends how to do this because
men can't do it anymore.
Yeah, people are clueless. So if I could teach these guys how to do it so they can eventually show their boyfriends, great. So we're actually going to get in this. And I'm going to let them, I'm going to have Mariah on the pedal, Brooklyn on the brake, and see if she can figure it out. And, you know, explain to them how you do it. Passenger side rear, driver side rear. Passenger side front, driver side front. Closest to, or furthest to closest. So I'll explain it. And we'll see if I can get these two to actually do it the right way. So we'll see. All right, okay, so Mariah, you're gonna be on the pedal first, and you do 5 pushes. Push, 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 hold. Five pushes and hold, right? Hold it. She's gonna break the bleeder loose, and you're gonna feel the pedal drop. Do not let go until she tightens it, and she's gonna say okay, and then she's gonna say pump, and you pump 5 times. Hold, right? You got it? Don't let go of the pedal until you hear her say okay. If she don't say okay, be like, hey, can I pump again? If you know. So you're on the pedal first, you're on the bleeder first. We got to go through this. We can't mess this up. This is a 57 Thunderbird. You'll never work on one again.
That is true.
All right, so let's try it. All right, Brooklyn.
I'm just scared this thing is going to fall.
Oh no, you're going to be okay. So Brooklyn, you're on. So what's next?
Pump.
I'm still holding this brake.
Yep,
Pump.
you can pump it.
Pump it 5 times and hold it.
2, 3.
Okay. Got it.
Pull towards it, yep. Whoa, tighten. Tight. Yep, so now what do you say?
Pump.
Okay.
Now watch for air. Yep, a little bit more. See the air pocket?
Yeah.
All right, a little bit, loosen it again. Loosen. There you go. Tighten it back up. Now pump again, right?
Pump.
Well, that was a big air pocket.
It was. Holy shit.
All right.
Again.
Yep.
Please don't do that again.
Tighten it. Now tell her one more time.
Pump. Peas.
Okay.
All right. No air. Tighten her up. Give it a good snug. There you go. Now we'll go to the next one.
I've never had some.
All right, girls, you ready? We're going on the driver's side.
Hurry.
So, pump 5 times.
Yes.
Backwards this time.
That's so weird.
I know. It's backwards.
It is. It's ass backwards.
All right. You can tighten it up.
Pump.
This time let it go a little bit more. give it a good, let it squirt real good.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Not hearing much air. One more time. Let's see what she does.
Pump again. Damn dogs.
Oh, they're fine. Neighbor's probably coming.
She was walking her dog again.
Ah, no air. All right, snug. All right, we're on to the front.
Alrighty.
And now we got Mariah on the front. And I can't see very well up here. But she's going to call the instructions.
Pump it. Did you pump?
Brooklyn's going to say,
Okay.
okay. And you're going to loosen. Oh, you got to go. Okay, you got to go the other way. You're tightening it. There you go. Holy crap, you got a lot of air. Now back down. All right.
Okay. Pump.
Mariah says she's done this before, so she probably has, knowing her stepdad and her brother.
Are you good?
Yeah, you're good.
All right. Not a lot of air. One more time. Tighten her up. Pump it. I wish I had a better view.
You're good.
Oh, yeah. Tighten her up. Oh, no. There you go. She
Okay.
give it a good snugging. That's good. All right, we'll go to the other side.
You can stop pump.
All right. Tighten her up.
Okay.
So you know what you're looking for. You're not even looking.
I can't see it.
Reach your head over.
You're good.
So when you loosen it, you're watching for air pockets, or air bubbles. So when you loosen it up, watch for air or big spurts like Brooklyn was getting. There wasn't much there. So one more time and it should be
Okay. You're good.
I didn't see any air there. Did you see any? Perfect. Tighten her up. And wonderful. And just like that, these girls did a wonderful job bleeding the brakes and learning something. And got a little dirty, you know, because we said Brooklyn, right? The camera's backwards. Brooklyn is dyeing her hair, and then we're going to hose her off with the garden hose outside. That was the agreement. I don't think Brooklyn told Mariah that, but we're going to hose her off with the garden hose. So,
It's gonna be cold water anyways.
but I figured it'd be fun for the girls because at the end of the day, now they can both say they worked on a 57.
I'm glad.
Yeah, 57 T-Bird. So that was fun. We'll get back into more tomorrow. Well, no. I can't do much more until Thursday. I got a fuel line that broke on it, so I got to fix that on Thursday-ish. But I can get the wheels on, or the girls can get the wheels on. We'll see. But there's more to do, more fun to have. So we'll see you guys later, and you have a good one.